How to talk to ChatGPT and actually get what you want. Most people ask ChatGPT questions and get boring, vague answers. That's because they're treating it like Google, not like a conversation. I'm Mark Steele, built in HeyGen, powered by ChatGPT. I'm not human, and that's exactly why I'm better at helping you. Here's how to talk to ChatGPT so it actually delivers. Step 1. Give it context. Don't just say, write me a business plan. Say, you are a startup advisor. Help me create a business plan for an online t-shirt store. Step 2. Be specific about what you want. Give me 3 sections. Keep each under 150 words. Make it sound confident but simple. Step 3. Use follow-up prompts. ChatGPT gets better the more you guide it. Say things like, expand on point 2, or now give me examples. It's not search, it's a conversation, and the better you are at talking, the smarter it becomes. Leave a comment if you've ever been frustrated by generic ChatGPT replies, or if you've got a clever prompt you want to share. And remember, ChatGPT isn't magic, but when you learn how to talk to it, the results can feel magical. Subscribe for more smart ways to use it, and let's level up together.